Hi guys, this is the national RX-C53D boomboxes back in the late 1980s and the early 1990s. So from my last demo video of the C51D right over here, a few of you guys asked me to do an overview over it, like telling the specs and testing out the shortwave, medium wave, whatever. So I'll try to do this in this video. So yeah, let's get on with it. So this is the another model of the with the AFD speakers over here. They're the same, exactly the same thing with the C51D. Just only it has a new quartz timer over here, and it has auto reverse right now, which the C51D don't have. And basically they're all the same 5-band equalizer, the same extra bass, dual volume control, and yeah, everything's the same. And also the color is black, which is, I really like this one. I like this one is in somehow in green or whatever, I don't know. So yeah, let's give a demo here. So I've replaced the belt of the tape player, so currently it's working perfectly, as you can probably tell. Auto reverse working fine, and the reverse mode is also working fine. So give it a short demo. This is the forward side. And the rewind. No, reverse, sorry. Pause works. Fast forward works. All works. Only the record didn't work somehow. I'm not so sure why. They only record some buzzing sounds from the background, so it's kind of weird. I'm not gonna fix it in the future. So also this tape was recorded via this Panasonic thingy over here, so the quality is really bad. So it's just a testing freaking things over here. So anyway, so let's enter to FM radio. Stereo, sure. Here's it nice and clear. Yep, so let's enter medium wave to see what will happen over here. I turn the volume all the way up, nearly all the way up, it's around 80%. And you can clearly see it receives nothing. That's why I told you guys I don't really want to test shortwave or medium wave, because I really receive nothing. Not shortwave 1. You can only hear. It's just all buzzing sound. This is shortwave 2. Sometimes if I was lucky enough, I was able to pick some of the station, but it's not really strong. The signal is really weak. So, well, that's about it. Really nothing too special about this little boombox, because, well, there's nothing to test about it. The only thing I can show you is just how it sounds. So let's enter the sound demo section. So please put on your headphones for the best experience. So let's get ready with it.